Hello everybody, welcome to a new series on my channel, and this is gonna be called Cat Madness. Dun dun dun. Hello Carmel rather. And where's my other kitty? Where's Star? Star, come here, Star. Star. Oh, there she is. Probably can't see her. Hey, Star. Who's your pretty kitty? Hello, Mom.
Hello.
You're not a cat. Making a cat. Non-cat. Get it. Okay. Now that that human's gone, we can get back to Cat Madness. And there's another kitty. So Cat Madness is technically a bunch of random bullcrap that I do with cats. Okay, so I'm gonna do some random bullcrap. But first, let me take a selfie. Yeah, no. None of that selfie bullcrap. No. So now let's do the random bullcrap.
Hey, I'm Star, and today I'm gonna do some videos. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, so I'm gonna do some random bullcrap. But first, let me take a selfie.
None of that bullcrap! Stop it, Star. You're supposed to be doing this. Hey, calm down. It's okay. It's supposed to be madness. I know you're confused right now. I will comfort you. I'll comfort you! Okay. That's Star, everybody. Now, let's get over to this cat, which I think it's Victoria. I actually forgot your name. Sorry for that. I'm just going to call you Victoria. I don't know. I'm calling you wrong. Hey. Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be doing some madness. Yeah. I'm going to act psycho. Psychopathic. Psycho. Here's my first stage of being psycho. First, you sit down and then act psycho. That's Victoria, I think. That's Victoria. Now, our next guest, Carmel. Hi, everybody. My name's Carmel. Hey, sorry, there's something in that box. Hey, just get on with your madness. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to sleep. First, you just stand here, and then you jump out of a box for some stupid reason. Okay, so you jump out of the box like this. Hey, what are you doing? No, Caramel, come on. Say what you gotta say. I'm out here. I'm good, okay. Come. Like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. So then you just gotta go to sleep. That's it. Go to sleep! Okay. Creep. What? Oh, nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna go to this cat that I have no idea whose name is. And she's very shy, so I'm just gonna let her talk out from under the car. Hi, everybody. I'm shy. Bye. Come on, you gotta speak. Okay. I am really shy. That's it. I'm really shy. Okay, gosh. You could have just said so if you didn't want to say anything. What? I could have said no. Bye. Jeez, well, It's ridiculous. This video was a total catastrophe. Eh? Eh? Okay, my jokes aren't perfect. Eh? Yeah, fine. Okay. Oh, she was just asleep. Or she was just being crazy, but she's all better. Meow. Oh, gosh. Okay, guys, you don't gotta hate. I'm just kidding around. Okay. Bye. Hey, Star. You doing good? You sleepy or something? Are you feeling fine? Oh, God, I'm hilarious. No. No, I'm not. Okay, so that's the first episode of Cat Madness, and I'll see y'all dudes later. Bye!